Hi everyone, I am Ragini from Section D from TSW RDC Jagadguru. I am pursuing BSc Data Science second year. Today I am going to discuss about the active voice and passive voice. Before going to that, we need to know what is voice. Voice is a characteristics of a subject which indicates the relation of a verb's action to its subjects. The voice of a verb may be either active voice or passive voice. Let's see what is meant by active voice. Active voice is a normal voice. This is a voice that we use most of the time. It means the active voice indicates that the subject of a verb is acting because the subject does or action upon. Let's see the structure of the active voice. Subject plus verb plus object. In the active voice, the object receives the action of a verb. Here one example, cats eats fish. It means cats means subject. It means verb. Fish is object. Why we are considering fish is an object? It means the object receives the action of a verb. Next, one example, the boy plays piano. Here the boy is a subject, plays is a verb. The boy is doing the action. So we can easily say which is in the form of active voice. This sentence is in the active voice form. Let's come to the one more voice, that is passive voice. The voice is used to indicate the grammatical subject of a verb is recipient of a action denoted by the verb. So let's see one more example regarding the passive voice. The piano is played by her. Here the piano is a subject. Is played is a verb. The piano is receiving or not doing the action. So this sentence is in the form of a passive voice. We can easily say. We get the difference between the active voice and passive voice. First we look at the structure, then we came to know what is passive voice and how we can easily identify whether it is a sentence is active voice or passive voice. Active voice is a subject plus verb plus object. Let's come to the passive voice. Subject plus was plus began plus V3 plus by plus object. Let's come to the example of active voice. She was singing a song. And passive voice. A song was began sung by her. Here the interchange between the subject and object. The subject of a active voice becomes the object of a passive voice. Then object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. And we have to see the verb form, which is V1 or V3. By two these we can easily form our active voice sentence or passive voice sentence. We can easily find out the which is this sentence is in the passive voice or else active voice. Why do we care? Active voice is more convinced, easy to understand. Let us look at some more example. Here there are two examples. The dog scares the cat and the cat is scared by the dog. So by looking these two examples, the meaning are same, but the sentence formation is different. One is active voice, one is passive voice. Let us come to know which is passive voice, which is active voice. First we look at the first example, the dog scares the cat. Here the dog is a subject of a sentence and it is actively doing the verb action. So we can easily say that it is an active voice form. Next example, the cat is scared by the dog. The cat is scared by the dog means the cat is the subject of a sentence, but the cat is not doing any type of verb action. So by this we can easily came to know which is in the form of a sentence. Act passive voice. This is regarding passive voice sentence. So by observing these example we came to know what is the difference between active voice passive voice and how to identify whether is a sentence is active or passive voice. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to everyone.